Greetings. I'm Dr. Bryan Williams, president of McCall College in McCall, Idaho. During April, I offered my Boise State University Osher lectures on the topic, Constructing a Pacific Northwest Bioethic. My subtitle may now be more interesting, Helping Healthcare Become Healthy and Caring. I am convinced my work will help healthcare become healthier and more caring. I trust you will join me. In May and June on Thursday nights at 7 p.m., I will be offering 1-hour lecture from my lecture series. Join me each Thursday. In July, again on Thursday nights at 7, I will enter into conversations with local experts on various points of my lectures. A philosopher will converse on my overall strategy. A healthcare professional will converse on reducing employee burnout. A pair of opposing politicians will converse on my new seeds of a political theory. And a thoughtful Catholic will summarize my ideas and help us all understand them better. Join me each Thursday at 7 p.m. right here, youtube.com, McCall College. Subscribe, and YouTube will help you remember. Join me.